For those looking at alternative building ideas, the Quonset hut from Steel Master Building Systems could be a great option. These Quonset huts have usually been used as temporary buildings, barns and storage buildings on farms, and for military, but they are now trending in the home industry as a great option for housing. Not only are they affordable, but they are also really easy to build and come with everything customers need to have their very own steel home. The designs also look really cool, with the arched roofline as well, and inside they offer completely open floor plans where the sky is the limit when it comes to interior design. These Quonset huts are also eco-friendly because the materials they are built out of will reduce energy use. Plus, the materials are guaranteed for 30 years, meaning they will last for a very long time, reducing waste. The other thing that reduces waste with these Quonset barn-style homes is the production of the kits. Since the company creates the kits in a set way, there is also less waste produced from the manufacturing of the kits as well. Another thing people like these Quonset huts homes for is that they are resistant to natural disasters like earthquakes and high winds. The steel buildings are strong enough to handle these conditions, so people don't have to worry about their houses disappearing in the case of an earthquake. They can also handle high snow loads, making them great for northern climates as long as they are properly insulated. All the buildings are ready to be built. When they reach the building site, all they require is one nut and one bolt to put together, making these structures easy to build even for a beginner. When it comes to maintaining the steel buildings, nothing could be easier to maintain and protect. People with local wood buildings might worry about termites or rot, and even fires. Not with a metal building. Every Steel Master home is built using metal, with a protective coating that is called Galvalume Plus, so the metal is even protected from corrosion, which happens to unprotected metal over time. The coating also shields the sun and protects it from cold winds too, making it easier to maintain an even temperature inside. To give you an idea of the pricing for residential models, one of the 20-foot by 40-foot and 10-foot high units, the S model, which is made from 22-gauge Galvalume steel, in a 40-foot by 40-foot home. Other items like the foundation and electric with plumbing need to be considered too. Steel Master has been in business for the last 30 years, building Quonset buildings for companies like Disney, NASA, Boeing, the US military, 3M, and more. The master headquarters for Steel Master is in Virginia Beach, Virginia, where they manufacture all of their kits in the factory and ship them out all over the world. Customers can choose from a wide range of styles, colors, and applications for their Quonset buildings and design them any way they like. On the inside, they have flat, straight walls, which makes them much like a conventional home, which makes them easy to decorate and furnish. Adding walls to create separation between rooms will make it feel like a regular home, and adding a loft floor as the second floor will add even more livable space if it's needed. Would you enjoy living in a Quonset style home?